So this should be a nice quick fix. This one, it's when you plug it in, you can feel it's all loose. You've got to wiggle it round to make a good connection to load software, whereas compared to the mic, that feels nice and good. So we'll get it open and we'll replace that jack. I've got some replacement jacks there, so let's get on with it. So apologies, I can't film and load games off my phone, but I've quickly cobbled it back together and the jack feels lovely and firm now, and surprise, surprise, the game's loaded perfectly. So just a reassemble to do and job's a good one. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to this machine and replace that voltage regulator as well. So I'll perhaps do another video on that. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.